Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a CSM at Batch, and today I'm going to help you get started with in-apps. Just as a quick reminder, in-apps are messages which can be displayed inside your app to all of your users, whether they are opt-ins or opt-outs. But before creating your first in-app campaign, you will need to create a theme, a sort of format for your in-app. And to do so, you will need to go to your settings first and then to the themes part of the dashboard. Once here, you will be able to create your theme, the theme you will be using for your in-apps afterwards. So as you can see in here, for the batch store, right now we don't have any theme, so we really need to create one. To do that, you will need to click on New Theme. In New Theme, you have several formats available, 5 in total. The first one is the full screen format, which is going to be the kind of format which takes the entire screen of your app and can contain a lot of elements like images, text, etc. It's usually for really important messages who just really deserve to interrupt the navigation of your user. Then you have the complete opposite in terms of format. You have the banner, which can be displayed at the top or the bottom of the app, and it's going to be the smallest format. Usually you can use it to suggest like optional actions and like while avoiding to bother users. The third format is the modal format. In terms of size, it's between the full screen and the banner. Then you have images. The image format is going to be a full screen image you can directly upload within Batch. And finally, you have the fifth format, which is a web view format, and which can be used if you want to completely customize your in-app. So right now, I would like to create my first theme, and I think it's going to be a model. First thing you need to do when creating a theme is deciding whether it's going to be a light style or a dark style. In my case, I want it to be light, and I want to add my my colors. So in this case, I'm going to add the batch store color in here like this, and then I can continue. Once continued, you will arrive on this page, and the first thing you need to do is give a name to your theme, which can be easily found by the rest of your team. So in my case, it's just like it will be the basic model format for the batch store. Once done, you just can start customize your in-app, see what works best for your app. For instance, right now, my model is in the middle of the screen. It could be like taking the whole screen on the side, like you can see in here, but actually I prefer the other way. You can change the way the CTR is formatted, so it could be horizontal or vertical. It's really up to you. You can also add an image and add it as a cover because you want the image to take the entire space of the model. You can decide to only have one CTA. You can also decide to add an auto dismiss, meaning that the campaign will be dismissed after 10 seconds. And of course, you can change all of the elements to match your style within your app. Once this is done, the first thing you should do is to test your in-app by clicking here, as usual, and pick your save device in order to test it on your app. And if everything is well when you're doing your test, then you can just save it and you can use it afterward for your first in-app, which is going to be the next video. So see you in a bit.